In this film, we'll run through the steps you should take if your washing machine is full of water and won't spin. Before calling an engineer, we can help you run through a few basic checks to try and quickly and simply get your machine back up and running. Okay, so first we need to identify what's causing the issue. If your machine is full of water, follow these steps, then test your washing machine again to see if it works. Before you begin, you'll need a shallow bowl to collect the water, and it'll probably be a good idea to have a towel to hand to wipe up any spillages. Some of our washing machines have a filter housing door on the front of the cabinet, either bottom right or bottom left. Open the door. Inside you'll find the filter and the drain hose. Position the bowl and then remove the plug. Once all the water is drained away, you can remove the filter. It's really easy to do so. Simply pull here. Give the filter a clean, removing any debris that has clogged it up. Then reinsert the filter and the plug. Now restart the washing machine and test to see if the problem still persists. If your machine doesn't have a filter, it may be blocked in the U-trap drain at the back of the machine. If you have on-site maintenance, ask them to check this for a blockage. If you still find that the washing machine is not working as it should be, check out our other videos here or call the helpline and we'll get a qualified JLA engineer on site ready to help.